Welcome to The Modern Lady. I'm Deborah. If you're new to the channel, thank you for joining. Please subscribe so that you can get an update when I've got a new video to share. If you're coming back, welcome back, and thank you so much for your support of this channel. I really appreciate and adore every single one of you. Today's video is about how to properly use the restroom. I had about 10 people request this video, but Michelle was the first one that asked. So Michelle, this video is dedicated to you, how to properly use the restroom and how to be a lady. I know that you had a lot of people you wanted to share this with, so I hope you and your friends enjoy. Now, the first thing I will mention about how to properly use the restroom, being respectful and mindful of others, is regarding your cell phone. So if you're on a phone conversation and you walk into the restroom, I would advise that you put the person on mute or just tell them you'll call them back so that they don't hear you doing your business, taking care of what you need to take care of in the restroom, and also they don't hear other people in the background as well. So just ending a conversation before you walk into the restroom or putting a person on mute or on hold is the best way to be respectful of the person on the phone and all the other women in the restroom with you. My second tip for using the restroom respectfully is to flush when you're done. I don't know what's the most disgusting thing that you could ever experience in a restroom, but walking into a stall and seeing that it's not flushed means someone just left in such a hurry that they failed to finish taking care of that. So it's important to flush the toilet when you're done before you leave the stall, and just double check to make sure that everything did flush and go down, because sometimes with plumbing systems, you need to flush twice or whatever the case may be in that particular restroom. But before you leave the stall, make sure that you flush and you're finished with everything that you're finished with before you leave a mess for someone else to be welcomed with when they come into the stall. Another restroom tip for being respectful using the restroom is to wipe off the seat when you're done. Again, this is just so that other people are not greeted with a mess or anything else when they walk into a stall to see what someone else has left behind. It's really just common courtesy and basic hygiene to clean up after yourself, and that includes wiping off the seat. No one wants to walk into a restroom stall and see it treated like someone's bedroom, like a teenager's bedroom, when you just have things all over the place. So finish using the restroom stall and just be courteous and respectful of the people after you by wiping the seat before you exit. My next restroom tip for respectfully using the restroom is to wash your hands with soap and water. I don't know how many times I've been in the office or other places when other women leave a stall and they just walk out, and I am just such a germaphobe that it actually repulses me. Like, I don't touch door handles without paper towels because it's really, really disgusting, some of the habits that people have. But you don't want to be one of those disgusting people. And as a lady, you aren't. So washing your hands with soap and water is an important part of using the restroom to respect yourself and respect others around you. And especially in the fall time, really year round, but in the fall and winter time, it does become easy to spread the flu or common cold. So you want to keep the minimum. You want to keep things down in terms of spreading illness. And one way to do that is by washing your hands with soap and water when you're done using the restroom. My last restroom tip for using the restroom respectfully is to wipe off the counter when you're done. So if you maybe use the mirror and touch up your makeup, or if you are washing your hands and there's water and spots on the counter along with a little bit of powder or something from your makeup, just get a paper towel or two and wipe the counter clean before you exit the restroom. And it's really just about cleaning up behind yourself, being courteous and respectful of the other people that are using the restroom in a shared environment. I will say that these restroom etiquette tips are really for a public place. However you keep the restroom in your own home is really your prerogative, although I hope you would keep it clean if you have guests coming over, but that is truly your own personal business. But when you are in an office or a shared environment, an amusement park, the movie theater, the mall, a restaurant, or anywhere else that the restroom is not part of a place that you own, then it's really respectful and courteous to clean up after yourself, be mindful of the other people that you are also sharing the restroom with. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up to share some YouTube love. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Bye for now.